Cbus is deliberately not an ESG themed manager. The way we think about ESG is that it's actually part of our investment beliefs. It's part of our investment strategy throughout all of our different asset classes. So for us, being an ESG investor means being able to integrate into your investment decision-making process all of the risks that we can possibly identify. And we certainly know that environmental, social and governance risks can be material. And so by identifying them, we think we can actually make better quality decisions. We think that ESG investing is about broadening our risk analysis and making sure that we've got as complete information as possible to make good decisions and to make sure that they're sustainable investments over the long term. We think that our long-term commitment to alternatives has actually stood us in good stead and has meant that we've had reasonably good returns coming out of the GFC. We're not a speculative investor, we're a long-term investor, and so, you know, for infrastructure, for example, we're looking for mostly mature assets, a little bit of development in there. Say, for example, in unlisted property, we've certainly very much focused on the Australian sector. At the moment, we don't have the confidence, the knowledge of markets internationally for us to invest in that space. The experience that we have had internationally has not been great. One of the important things for us that we've learned is to be disciplined and not to fall in love with the assets, no matter how good that asset actually is. If you can get a great return by selling those assets at a particular point, then you should. I think conferences like these are a really important way of fertilising thinking, seeding thinking, and certainly we've seen over the last 10 years ESG has become a new way for investors, or a new language for investors to understand all the risks associated with investing. And so I really support these types of conferences because I think that it enables people an opportunity to get exposed to new ideas. And if you only take one or two ideas away from a particular conference, I think that, you know, that's actually gold. Then you can take that away and bring that back into your own environments and kick it around, and I think that adds a lot of value.